BJP Manipur Pradesh has called on the Kuki militants to unconditionally release the 6 individuals, including children, who were abducted from Borobekra in Jiribam district. In a press meet held at Tambal Shanglan in Niti Patjutek today, BJP President A. Sarda strongly condemned the abduction and violence, particularly targeting women and children, and expressed disappointment over the recent resurgence of violence following several months of relative calm. She stated that the party had briefed central government leaders about the current situation in Manipur and had met with the state governor to urge a resolution of the ongoing crisis. On the other hand, BJP Manipur representatives have been actively working to restore peace in the state, having engaged with Union Home Minister Amit Shah, both virtually and in person, since last year.
Borobekra hariba khandana village mogi jakradon hariba jaga sidagi oikogi pigliba angang yauna mioi taruk phaduna thammi basi yamna mioi bagi minungsiga loinana mioi taruk adu athuba matamda thadok piraktuna magi imung manunggi mioi singda sinabina nabagi damakta Bharatiya Janata Party ki side tagi koi haijari adu hariba thogboksi hek thokpa haurakpadagi Mari Lainaba, Bharat Sarkar ki Lairiba, Home Minister na Chingbada, Tongan ba, Ekoi ki Mari Lainaba leader singda, Bharatiya Janata Party side tagi, Akanba, Cheksil Thorang, Amadi, Ekoi ki Praja Singh Bungak, Sinbina Vidamakta, Ekoi ki side tagi, Thambaya, Wapam Singh Thamjakre, Loina na Hek Thokdok Thopaga Samak, Manipur ki Governor Unadana, Governor Nasu, Yam Sengna, Athuba, Ekoi ki violence, Tholiba Singh, Pana Vidamakta Mana, Mayamda, Instructor, Kudingmak Singh Asi Ekoi, Hathengna Bharatiya Janata Party mahut sinjaraga samda chatana ai unadana sigumba thokdok asi thokpada chauba cheksil thorang lawna nabagi damakta honabiyu haidana koi thamjarame.
President of Shiv, Sena, Manipur Pradesh, Moirangtem Tombi has also appealed for the release of 6 individuals who have been reportedly held captive by armed Kukis in Jiribam. Speaking to media at the party office in Babupara, M. Tombi lamented that many innocent lives have lost their lives during the year-long violent crisis. He said Kuki community cannot achieve their demands through killings of innocent people and by carrying out violent atrocities against civilians. It can only come through dialogue with government, while urging indigenous communities to put in their efforts to save Manipur. M. Tombi also questioned the silence of Centre against a controversial statement of Mizoram Chief Minister, who had openly talked about disintegration from India. The Shiv Sena Manipur chief also urged government to make necessary security arrangement for farmers in the state till the end of the harvest season.
Kuki sing na pami poto democracy chatpa adugumba country ni India si demand to hoya piba pida bai duna miyam amadi government ki preview lere aduga mi amagi yum mai tharga mi amagi lamdu mullaga madugi poto noi ki lambo thokani habisi masigi posi angtang Kuki ki community sing da angtang khada ninge adaki tang kuni thoida USA senate holda lagdu hamana mada tongan ba country humgi maduda leiriba Kuki jo community sing si punchal laga Kijogi country was Shemni Gaina, Haiba, Mana Nangibudo, India to Gainaba, Gangiba, Miduki Matata, Action Low Dishigano. Adra, Kuki in a Torigoi, Kuki community, Jora Torigoi. Central government yari si kari marung ginova December hoki harvesting akoi pelet manung se masajda state force na command orga central force siga loina 24 hours akoi gi low lokpa akoi gi lowi singi thawai amadi lanthum kanna bane ngamdra resign to bi oba MLA yankhai se Delhi sala khong da thin bi oba atai to pai state di chuma si yaroi Manipur da tawri si kari ginong dai bi oba paisa khra pi mandi yaroi mi gi thawai do paisa khra pi ga no ga lap dukana de ba dui thok to mi shir Like a bit of a talk Sheba. She in the Kanaba on Sheba. State government, the law information letter Maneba. Carrying a woman to Masam Mahan Bilge, Miami Hola Pongadi Row, Adra Roy Boyna, Manipur Labor Central Forces, state government, Gi Ladyba, Akoiki State Forces, Command Makada, Tabaktomi, Namanachumane, Natragade, Boy, Nashivomon, the Moina neutral in a Tabaktomo, Akoi Madugi, evidence they table.